For more than 5 decades, Mr. Sieunarine Persad Coosal has helped shape the physical and economic landscape of Trinidad and Tobago through innovation, resilience, and visionary leadership. From a quiet start in central Trinidad to leading one of the Caribbean's most respected industrial enterprises, his journey reflects the power of perseverance, disciplined excellence, and faith-driven purpose. Today, the Coosal brand stands as a symbol of quality, sustainability, innovation, and national development. Born and raised in humble circumstances, Mr. Coosal's journey began not in the boardroom, but at the ground level, starting as an office boy within the construction sector before steadily rising through determination, technical mastery, and leadership. What began as hands-on operational work evolved into a lifelong commitment to building not just projects, but an industry.
There was never a shortcut mindset. It was always about showing up, learning the fundamentals, and doing the work properly.
That philosophy would become the foundation of both his leadership and his life. Under Mr. Coosal's stewardship, Coosal's group of companies expanded into a diversified regional enterprise spanning quarrying, construction, ready-mixed concrete, asphalt production, and civil engineering. Yet his impact extended beyond commerce. A passionate advocate for innovation in infrastructure and material sciences, Mr. Coosal became deeply involved in advancing the use of blended Trinidad Lake asphalt technologies, supporting research, attending international seminars, and helping pioneer asphalt solutions recognized for durability, flexibility, and environmental resilience.
Innovation has always been a priority. The goal has never been to follow trends, but to improve performance, efficiency, and sustainability.
His advocacy also transformed public understanding of the quarrying industry, highlighting its essential role in construction, manufacturing, infrastructure development, water purification, agriculture, and national growth. As a founding member and past president of the Quarry Association of Trinidad and Tobago, he championed modernization within the sector while advocating for stronger standards, environmental responsibility, and long-term sustainability.
Infrastructure is the backbone of any country's development.
Beyond industry, Mr. Coosal's leadership has always been deeply rooted in service. Through philanthropy, humanitarian outreach, and community investment, he has supported educational institutions, housing initiatives, disaster relief efforts, faith-based organizations, and vulnerable communities throughout Trinidad and Tobago. His commitment to social upliftment led to his appointment as chairman of the Capital Campaign Cabinet for Habitat for Humanity Trinidad and Tobago, helping advance affordable housing initiatives for families in need.
My foundational belief have always been character, reputation, integrity, and critically important, spirituality.
What he calls CRIS has become both a personal philosophy and a leadership model, guiding not only the company he built, but the lives he continues to influence. Today, that legacy continues through family. His son Rajiv and daughter Trisha now play active leadership roles within that organization, carrying forward the values of innovation, discipline, service, and national contribution that have defined the Coosal name for generations.
True security and peace must be anchored not in our own strength, but in God's faithfulness.
Anchored by faith and guided by principle, Mr. Coosal has demonstrated that true leadership is measured not only by what is built, but by what is sustained, improved, and passed on to future generations. His life's work reflects a rare combination of industrial innovation, scientific advancement, entrepreneurial vision, and compassionate service.
Focus on building competence before chasing recognition. Master your craft.
For the graduating class of 2026, his story stands as a reminder that excellence is not a moment, but a lifelong commitment to growth, responsibility, and purpose.
It is with deep gratitude and humility I accept this Honorary Doctor of Science degree from the University of the Southern Caribbean. I am sincerely thankful for this recognition, and I receive it not only on my own behalf, but on behalf of the many individuals, colleagues, mentors, employees, and family who have been a part of my journey over the years.